Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make handmade chocolates at home. First, let's talk about melting your chocolate. The best way is using a double boiler, gently heating the chocolate over simmering water. Alternatively, you can microwave it in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each. Always chop your chocolate into small, uniform pieces, about 1/2 inch, to ensure it melts evenly and smoothly. This initial step is crucial for a perfect, silky texture in your finished treats. Now let's master tempering, which gives your chocolates that beautiful shine and satisfying snap. For dark chocolate, heat it to about 115 degrees Fahrenheit, then cool it down to 88 degrees Fahrenheit. For milk or white chocolate, the temperatures are slightly lower. This process stabilizes the cocoa butter crystals, preventing bloom and ensuring a professional finish. It might sound tricky, but it's key for truly exquisite homemade chocolates. Next, let's get creative with flavors and fillings. You can infuse your melted chocolate with extracts like pure vanilla, refreshing mint, or zesty orange. For delicious centers, try making a simple ganache with heavy cream and your favorite additions, like a touch of espresso or a fruit puree. Adding toasted nuts, chewy dried fruits, or a dollop of homemade caramel can elevate your chocolates to a gourmet level, offering wonderful textural contrasts. Finally, it's time to shape and finish your beautiful creations. Silicone molds are fantastic for achieving consistent, professional-looking shapes, from simple squares to intricate designs. For a more rustic or artistic touch, you can pipe the tempered chocolate directly onto parchment paper. Once set, add a final flourish with a sprinkle of sea salt, a dusting of cocoa powder, or a delicate drizzle of contrasting chocolate. Store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.